Hello and welcome. I am happy to have you. I'm Esther. It's a good thing to as we share the word of God. Now I'll go straight to the topic or the subject of today, which is on rejection. And I will start by reading Luke chapter 4, verses 16. Let's start from verse 16. And course of time, I'll go straight to Luke chapter 4, verses 28 there. And when the people in the synagogue heard this one, they were filled with anger. They rose up, dragged Jesus out of the town, and took him to the top of the cliff on which their town was built. They meant to throw him over the cliff, and therefore to kill him. But he walked through the middle of the crowd and went his way. When you walk with God, when the Lord is on your side, and when you are covered and protected, and you are called the child of God, no one can touch you, and no one can destroy you. Now, this is Jesus, who is openly being rejected by his villagers. Who will reject you? You'll be rejected. There are people who are rejected right from the womb. There are people who are rejected after birth by their parents, their brothers, their sisters. They are rejected by the community, by your workmates. You are rejected by groups, the formations that we have. You are rejected even by at times even your husband, your wife will reject you. And therefore rejection is a very ugly situation and state to be in. Now people will reject you because of their personal reasons. And you don't at times need to know why they reject you. But you'll see they turn against you. And normally rejection is triggered by hatred. They despise you. They are jealousy of you. And some just don't like you. Hey, there are people who don't just like you. How you look, how you walk, how you talk. And that is nature and that is life. And if Jesus himself goes through rejection, who are we not to go through rejection or to face rejection? And therefore rejection will come. Why rejection? It becomes very bitter and a very hard pill and bitter pill to swallow is because we grow up. When we are growing up, we grow up knowing and being surrounded by people who love us, appreciate, approve, and will encourage us and hold our hands and correct us and feed us with a lot of and talk to us with a lot of love, care, and concern. But things change when the same people turn against us and they attack us and they throw bad, ugly, and very destructive words and even plan to eliminate us. Jesus was to be eliminated. They wanted to throw him down the cliff and destroy him. Now, when we talk of rejection, therefore, what are we talking about? That we will go through rejection, and if you are not prepared, it will destroy you. And if you are not well anchored, and if you are not well exposed and covered and protected, surely it can be very destructive. Had Jesus not walked and had Jesus not come under the power and the covering of God, they would have killed him right even before he started his mission. And so rejection is a very destructive issue. Not only Jesus is rejected alone, but we see somebody else. This is Jeremiah. Jeremiah even laments. And he curses the day he was born. And he tells God, I wish I was not even born. I curse the day I was conceived. Life is hard, life is tough, life is my brothers, my relatives, my villagers. Jeremiah was born in a village known as Ananoth. And the villagers there, they planned, they came together, they mobilized. And they planned to eliminate Jeremiah. Eliminate Jeremiah. What am I saying? That rejection, will face rejection here and there. And it is important, therefore, to know how to go about it. And we are told Jesus did not allow that rejection to put him down. Jesus rose up, stood, and slept. Do something about that rejection. And we are told Jesus, even though they had taken him at the peak of the cliff and throw him down, Jesus looked for a way, and Jesus slipped through. And we are told he sneaked and he escaped. Don't sit. Don't just wander and lament and sit doing nothing. Because surely if you do nothing, they will kill you. They will destroy you. Your career, your hope, your future, all of it will be gone and will be thrown down the cliff. And will become history and will become statistics. And you are told Jesus slept and went through. Jeremiah also, we see, when we look at Jeremiah, he pleads with God. And he tells God, God, I have a case with you. Why is it that the wicked, they prosper? Why is it the wicked, they seem to succeed? God, listen, avenge, revenge for me. And we are told God eventually comes by for Jeremiah. Hey, God comes by for Jeremiah. May God help us. And I always say, may God help us, because it is a journey, and some situation and places and things we go through can be very devastating. And Jeremiah, we are told, he had walked and he was called by God when he's very young, at around maybe 17, 20 years. This is Jeremiah chapter 1, chapter 2. If you read, you'll understand that one. And Jeremiah, after lamenting and curses even the day he was born, God listens to him, and God comes to his rescue. God will always come to your rescue. Another person we see facing rejection is Joseph. Joseph is rejected by his own blood brothers. And they had grown up with him. They were raised with him. They knew him. They fed with him. They slept, they ate, they walked, they laughed with him, the brothers of Joseph. But woe unto Joseph, because all this time, some of the brothers had a big, heavy burden, and they were planning and executing and waiting for the day to eliminate Joseph. And they even go and dig a pit, or they got a pit and they threw Joseph. They rejected him. They conspired, they talked, and they planned, and they moted a plan to eliminate Jeremiah. And they put him in a pit to be eaten, be destroyed. What am I saying? Destruction. People will plan for your destruction. People will plan for your elimination. You are like I'm saying, whatever you have, it's not a wonder, it's not news, and it's not a strange thing, by the way, to be rejected. But it's a strange thing when you accept that rejection, when you let it sink into you, and when you accept it and allow it to dwell and to become part of you and to become a stronghold in you. Jesus did not allow that one. And I like the personality of Jesus. I like the personality and the nature of Jesus and Joseph, because these were people who knew their destiny. They knew their mission. They knew who they were. Hey. Now, another person we see is Job. Job, the wife tells Job, hey, you, what's wrong with you? Hey. You keep on praising God here. Praising. Why don't you just curse him? And the wife rejected, betrayed, and ran off. It's good to read the word of God. Read the word of God. And as I come to a conclusion, what I would say is that we'll face rejection. We'll face situations, people, relatives, friends, they'll turn against us, despise us, full of hatred, anger, jealousy, will consume them. And if you are not careful, if you are not grounded, if you don't know what to do, they will surely pass and destroy you. Jesus would have gone. Joseph would have been destroyed. Jeremiah, not even once. They planned and they were very good. Hey, people who plan against you, they are good and they are smart. And the good thing, those who plan and they plan to eliminate you, normally it's not one or two. They are a group, an assembly, a formation of people who feel you should go and you should be cleared from their way. But this is what you should know, you should do. And this is what I learned about rejection and what to do. Jesus looked for a way and he slept. Look for a way and run and move away from such a situation. Know you are important, you are valuable. And we are told in Psalms 139, David says, God, I know who you are. I know you are wonderful. I know you are strange. You are wonderful. Your operations, they are strange. I know how mighty and powerful you are. You knew me even before I was put in my mother's womb. When I was being formed in my mother's womb, you knew me. You saw me in the secret of my mother's womb. And therefore, I am valuable. I'm important because even you know the days. Hey, you know even the days you have allocated for me. Therefore, it is important to know, one, move away. Don't sit at the feet of your enemies, of those who reject you. Do something. Next, know that you need to know and to have the cover of God. And Jesus had not had the cover. Jeremiah and Joseph, they would have been destroyed. They would have been destroyed. Number two, remember you are not formed for anyone else. God has a mission, God has a purpose, and God has a way for you. And Jeremiah, we are told, God tells him, I knew you before I put you in your mother's womb. You are valuable, you are important, you are classy, you are precious. And once you know that one, in spite of who rejects you or the situation we go through, that one should help us to stand and to go and to weather through the storms of life. And we are told that Jesus stood up and he went on and he moved on. And Jesus' rejection, that was only the beginning, because we see even later on, the Pharisees, the Sadducees, they eventually plan against Jesus. And because Jesus could not have saved us without dying, even on the cross, Jesus does not die because the Pharisees and those who hated him, his haters, succeeded. He says, and may your will, God, may your will, not my will, may your will be done. And Jesus dies on the cross, not because of his enemies, but because it was the will of God. And it was the only way that we had to get salvation through Jesus' death. Jeremiah, God comes and empowers him and encourages him and tells him, you'll be like a fortified city, an iron pillar, a bronze wall. Now look at Joseph. It is good when we go through rejection. Pray, trust, believe. And like I'm saying, let your mission, let your goal, let that awareness you have of who you are and where you are and where you are going and what you mean in the eyes of God strengthen you, push you on, and let no one validate you. And Joseph, look at Joseph. When he was in that pit, what do you think he was saying? He was praying. It's good to pray, to plead, to ask. And surely the Lord will come by and rescue. And the Lord sent to Joseph, we are told. And the Lord sent some traders who are going around, who are moving down to Egypt. And they rescued Joseph. And Joseph was sold. The Lord will send, the Lord will bring, the Lord will cause situations to arise to your favor, and you will be rescued. And surely the people who had planned evil, and who had sat and arranged for your elimination, God will surely turn around, and He'll raise you, and He'll propel you. Hey, God will propel you, and He has future and good plans. And Joseph becomes very mighty, and he was second in command in Egypt. Now look at Jacob. Jacob, the brother rejects him. What happens? We are not even told about Esau. We are told about Jacob. And Jacob became so successful. You will become very successful as long as you hold on, you trust, you believe, you hold on to the Lord, and you move away, and you pray, and you pray to God, and you ask for His cover, His protection, and surely the Lord will see you sailing through, navigating through, and being very successful. And as I would say, life is not easy. And somebody said, we are born free. Hey, we are born free, but everywhere in chain. And therefore, as Christians, challenges will come. But as long as we are firm, we are grounded, we have a mission, we have a goal, we know who we are, that we are wonderfully and fearfully created, that the Lord knew us even before you were put in our mother's womb. This is Jeremiah chapter 1. And Psalms 139. When you read Psalms 139, David is praying and is telling God, God, I knew even when you are putting me in my mother's womb, and you are there, and you created me. You know, let's go through Psalms 139. Yeah, Psalms 139. And David is saying this one. I praise you because you are to be praised. You are to be feared. That is God. David saying to God, you are to be feared. All you do is strange. The things of God are strange. All you do is strange and wonderful. I know it with all my heart. When my bones were being formed, carefully put together in my mother.